Hi there, and welcome to another tutorial on Divi, presented here by the Divi duck. All right, today we want to have a look at how you can use Divi child themes, how you can install them and then make use of them thereafter. So Divi child themes are a very useful tool that you can use. The reason being for that, whenever you want to make any customization to your website that's outside of what the Divi builder actually offers, you can do so inside your child theme. I have a whole article on my blog that you can have a look and you can read through, where I break this down into a lot more detail. But for today, I just want to show you how you can actually install the child theme and you can make use of it. So we can use a blank child theme today. If you're on this article that I have here, you can scroll down to the different types of child themes, and here we have a free blank child theme. All right, so in here, if you just sign up for our newsletter, you can get it for free. So I won't click it here right now because I already have it downloaded, but if you just run through here, there's no cost to you whatsoever. So let's go and have a look how we can install this. So if we come into our WordPress dashboard and we go into appearance, just like we normally go when we look for themes, and we say we want to add a new theme. So in this case, because it's a child theme and we've just downloaded it from the website, you can upload a theme here, and then you choose the file so that you can go and see where it is. And in my case, it's right here. So I'll just open and install. All right, so while that's installing, this process works for any child theme. So if you've purchased a child theme from somewhere, you can also make use of it. So the only difference you see now is that when it's installed, the parent theme, Divi theme, is currently installed. So the child theme is reading on the parent theme in order for it to work. All right, so we activate it here. And you can see there it is. The Divi duck child theme is now activated. So this is the theme that is actually running my site here at the moment. And so all the styles and functions that I customize, styles and functions that are right in here, will run from here and override the ones that are being called from Divi. So what can we do and how can we actually access these files? Well, here we have the theme file editor. I click on that, it'll open up the different files that you get inside here. So there's the style CSS, the functions of PHP, and then there's also the JavaScript file that you can use. So in here, any kind of customization you want to do, you just come to the bottom and you can type away and put in any styles that you want. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If there's any questions you may have, just let me know in the comments, or if there's anything else that you would like me to cover regarding tutorial wise, just let me know as well. Other than that, we'll see you in the next lesson.